What would your success look like if you put more strategy into your personal style? Never thought about it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Fashion and style is a subject often talked about and shoved in our faces, but there's actually more that goes into dressing the part successfully than wearing the latest fashionable item or putting on what someone else has on, especially if your goal is to succeed and increase your opportunities as a business or a brand. In this virtual style workshop, play up your fashion, dress your success in style. You'll have personal style consultant at MIIEN Consultancy, Mikara Reid, break down how to start using your image to your advantage and for your success beyond the surface level question and phrase, what to wear or how to wear. As a mover and shaker, you put a lot of effort into developing your talent, logo, social media, and community network. But what about your personal appearance, aka your visual resume? With you as the face of your business or brand, it's important to keep building a solid reputation all around. In this specific area of branding yourself, visually is often ignored. So let's put an end to no style strategy and get you where you deserve to be. Grab your tickets to MIIEN's Play Up Your Fashion, dress your success in style with speaker Mikara Reid so you can start contributing to your success impact with your image.